Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the square moss stitch. I will use this kind of cake yarn for show this one and use 6.5mm crochet hook. If you are ready, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. I will start with a magic ring. Just take the yarn like that. Wrap it around your hands and make this twice. You see, I make the cross here. Just insert your hook here. Take this yarn like that and take the same yarn again. Make a chain. Insert your hook from this magic ring. Take a yarn and make a single crochet. Chain 2 in the same place. Make a single crochet. Chain 2. Make a single crochet. Now we are making the corners. Don't count your single crochet, just count your 2 chain space. Okay, that's 1, 2, chain 2 and make a single crochet. That's the third one. Chain 2 and make a single crochet, and this is the fourth one. Close the ring. Now we will go spirally, so don't make a slip stitch from the single crochet. We will just jump here, this 2 chain space, and make a single crochet here. I will put a marker here. This is our last single crochet. This is where we start the turn like that. Chain 2, this is our corner again, and make a single crochet into same space. Chain 1, skip this single crochet, make a single crochet, chain 2, a single crochet into same corner, chain 1, skip the single crochet, and into the corner make single crochet, chain 2, single crochet again, and chain 1, into that last corner make a single crochet, chain 2 and a single crochet, chain 1, skip here, into that corner, make a corner again, oops, just a single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, and we have a chain 1 space from the previous row. We will make a single crochet here, chain 1, we are at the corner and make the corner again, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, make a single crochet into that chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet, chain 1, make a single here, chain 1, single, chain 2, single, chain 1, make a single crochet, chain 1 into that corner, make 1 single, chain 2 and single. We will always make the same thing here at the corners, chain 1. Now we have 2 chain 1 space here. Skip this single crochet and make a single crochet here, chain 1, make 1 more single crochet, chain 1, make the corner, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1 and make the corner, chain 1, make the single crochet, chain 1, make it again, chain 1, make a single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet, chain 1, make a single, chain 1, make 1 more. I will chain 1 here and make the corner again. We will make it like that. If you want, you can make a big square. Just keep doing like that. If you want, you make squares and join them together. I have how to join videos you can see here now. When you reach your wanted square, you will finish it like that. We made a single crochet here. If you want, you can just chain 1. I don't. I will just insert my hook that corner, take this yarn and make a slip stitch. I will just complete my square like that and make a chain, just cut the yarn and hide this tail. My square is complete. And that's the bigger one. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. You can leave the comments below. Swiss Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me anytime you want. It's very nice to have you today too, and hope to see you again.